Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how you can create newsletter using the Brevo automation. So here, the first thing that you should do is we have to open any of our web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Brevo and you'll be able to see this website. So you just have to click on it. And then you just have to sign up for an account. Of course, it's for free. And then after signing in, you just have to sign up using your Google account, or you can create an account in this section. Then after that, you'd be able to see your dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard right here. And the next thing that you should do is you just have to go to the campaigns section. So as you can see at the left side, we have these options. We have contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, and more. So for this one, you just have to focus on the automation section. I mean, in the campaigns section. So just go here and then click on the create campaign option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you just clicked on this one. And then here we just have to choose if what kind of campaign do you want to create. So here I'm just going to choose email, and then we have to create our campaign name. So I'm just going to name this one as newsletter and then create campaign. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here we have to finish setting up this details. So sender, so now we have the recipient. So here we just have to select the contacts. So here I'm just going to use this first folder, and then after that you just have to save it. Okay, next we have the subject. So we have to add here the subject. So this would be our subject line. So I'm just going to tap it right here, newsletter. And at the right side, we can see the preview of our newsletter. And then for the preview text, I think I'm just going to tap it right here, new product posted. So this is how it looks like, and then click on save after that. Now we have the design. So here just have to create our email content. So click on it, and then we have here layout, template gallery, my templates, campaigns, and then you can also code your own. But for this one, I'm just going to use a template from our template gallery. So you just have to choose the template that you want to use. So here we have a newspaper announcement. We have also here we have the category. So you just have to search for the category that we want to use. So I think I'm just going to use this template. So you just have to click on the use a template option, and then you'd be redirected to the section where you can customize the template. So here you can now start adding all of the details of your newsletter. As you can see at the left side, we have the different elements that we can add to the template. We have the style as well, and you can also add an assistant from the AI. After that, click on save and grid. Okay, and then now that our newsletter is ready, we can now schedule it or send it to our contacts. So here, if you want to send it now, you can send it now or schedule for later. So in the schedule for later section, we can add here the date. That's right, and then click on confirm, and then you can select the time as well. That's right, and then you can also select send at best time, and then after that click on schedule. And then here just have to go back to your campaign section, and you'd be able to see here the campaign that you just created. Now if you want to preview and test it, so just click on the three dots and click on preview, and then you can go to the send test email section if you want to test this campaign. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.